We'll guide you through how to send and receive messages on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and we're guiding you through TikTok messaging, how it can work, how you can send, and how you can receive messages. Make sure this full guide as we're covering important information throughout the whole video, so don't skip anything and let's go and dive straight into this. So first of all, we can go and configure messaging on our own account, who can go and send us messages. So before we get any further though, it's important to know in order for messaging to go and work on TikTok, users have to be age 16 and older. So make sure that's the case. Now to go and set up messaging, you can go and press profile in the bottom right and press the three lines in the top right. Go down and you can find the option for settings and privacy. In here, you then want to go down. You want to go down into the account section. What you need to do is go and find the option for privacy in account like so. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down into interactions. And in here, you should go and find direct messages. Click here. So what you can do here is you can go and choose the read status and the safe mode, but we need to come into permission settings. So then it says here, who can send you messages? So this is how you can go and receive messages. First of all, we've got potential connections. At the moment, this is set to don't receive, which means messages are not going to come through. People can't message us. We can go and set this to requests. So we can then go and review them before they can go and fully message us. We can then come back, and you can also do the same for others on TikTok as well. So I'm going to go and put this in for requests. So once again, it says you will receive message requests from others on TikTok in your message requests, unless you choose not to receive them. So you're going to set that to requests. So now what you can do is you'll be able to go and check your inbox back on your profile page, and you can go and check your requests on here. And you can then go and choose if people can go and message you or not. Now, alternatively, if you want to go and send messages to people, you can do that. So you need to go and find somebody you want to go and message. So I'll come to my home and go and search for somebody, but you may already have someone in mind, or you find on your For You page you want to do this with. So you can go and search for their account, and then you can go and tap on it like so. And then what you need to do is come onto their profile, just like this. You'll see the information here, like their following, followers, and likes. And then below that, you should see the option for message. Then what you can do is go and tap there. I previously messaged this person before, so I can go and send another message like so. It may go and say can't message or unavailable, and this is due to their privacy settings, because as you noted, they may go and set their messages to don't receive, which is why. But hopefully you then be able to go and message them.